Wendy Williams will soon have access to her millions after a court appointed a financial guardian over her bank accounts. Wendy's contentious battle with Wells Fargo to unfreeze her bank accounts is officially over after a New York judge appointed a financial guardian to oversee her finances, The Sun can exclusively reveal. As a source explained, the guardianship process is complete, which means the court appointed a financial guardian. Now it's up to the guardian, Wendy, and the court as to how she will be accessing her money. At this point in the process, Wells Fargo is no longer involved in the court proceedings, and the bank will be acting at the direction of Wendy's guardian and Wendy, 57, one insider claimed. Several sources have also revealed that there was a temporary guardian in place since at least March, though it is unclear if the official court-appointed financial guardian is the same person. A source familiar with the process added that whoever is in place is someone who is financially savvy and who is able to understand the various accounts that hold Wendy's fortune. As one insider revealed, the court can eventually decide to give Wendy back full control over her accounts and end the guardianship, but that is up to the court. In the meantime, Wendy is said to still have a voice and she still has a say when it comes to her finances, and while she doesn't have 100% control right now, that could all change soon depending on what the court decides. This isn't like a Britney Spears conservatorship. This is a financial guardian. This is someone who is watching over her finances, who is making sure that the decisions that are happening with her accounts are in her best interest. When Wendy asks for something to happen, the guardian is making sure it is in her own financial best interest first. Meanwhile, another source told The Sun that Wendy could possibly have access to her accounts as soon as July, after several productive meetings that have transpired in favor of the former daytime talk queen. While it is yet unclear who the court appointed to oversee Wendy's finances, The Sun previously exclusively revealed that her former manager Bernie Young had thrown his hat into the fight to control Wendy's millions, but his attempt was met with fierce opposition by the talk show host herself. In a video that she posted to Instagram in March, Wendy accused Bernie, who she fired at the start of this year, of using her American Express card to pay for the hiring of attorney Carolyn Wolfe at powerhouse law firm Abrams Fensterman, LLP, to pursue guardianship over the mom of one. Bernie never responded to Wendy's accusation or The Sun's multiple requests for comment. Meanwhile, a source also previously claimed that none of Wendy's family was going to go for guardianship either. Wendy has plenty of people in her orbit that could step in and go up against Bernie for guardianship, but the family is adamant. They don't think she needs one, an insider said at the time. Wendy's bank lockout. As The Sun first exclusively revealed, Wendy and her battle with Wells Fargo began in January, after the host had been locked out of her accounts for several weeks. In the initial filing on behalf of Wendy in trying to reopen the frozen accounts, Wendy's lawyer said that the host's financial advisor had allegedly alerted the bank that Wendy appeared to be of unsound mind, and the bank further believed she was the victim of exploitation, dementia, or undue influence. Wells Fargo responded to Wendy's team and told the court that they had filed a petition for a guardianship hearing concerning the client's capacity. The bank's attorney further alleged, Wells Fargo has strong reason to believe that the petitioner is the victim of undue influence and financial exploitation. As The Sun previously reported, the former daytime presenter has been battling medical problems for some time and ultimately lost the Wendy Williams show after a months-long absence. A source close to the show previously told The Sun, "The spark is gone." That Wendy, who for 10 years had that spark in her eyes, that cheeky grin, and that little wink is not the same now.